Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today we're going to take a look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. First, we'll start with the way we've powered the boat. This boat is equipped with the new V8 Mercury 250 horsepower engines done in white, and this also has the joystick piloting. The boat is equipped with a nice big hardtop, powder-coated stanchions and integrated rod holders. As you make your way into the boat, at the transom door you do have a freshwater sprayer. This boat's equipped with the summer kitchen. It's going to give you the electric grill, refrigerator, and freshwater sink. At the transom of the boat you have a nice wide bench seat with great high back support and nice depth to it. It's a very comfortable seat to sit in. It is going to tuck in nicely to the transom to open up your cockpit space for fishability. It is a self-bailing deck. On the port side, you have a nice lounger, and it's very easy to use. This will give you an aft-facing lounger that way, or if you prop this backrest up, it gives you a forward-facing lounger. And you do have storage underneath each of those compartments. At the helm, you have a single captain's chair, digital throttle and shift. As I'd mentioned earlier, it is equipped with joystick piloting for ease of docking. And it also gives you the skyhook feature to hold your position. This is equipped with a 12-inch Raymarine hybrid touch, Raymarine VHF radio, your Mercury vessel view, Fusion stereo as part of your upgraded stereo system, trim tabs, and active trim. On the port side, you have a nice head compartment, great detail, vacuum flush head, freshwater sink. Very nice stainless steel cap on the windshield. In the floor, you have lockable storage for rods. As we make our way up to the bow, you have two full-length loungers. Great storage underneath the console. Your filler cushions in there. This boat is also equipped with the windlass anchor, and you have another freshwater sprayer up at the bow. It's also going to come equipped with the bow sunshade to give you shade up here. It's a real quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 27 Vantage. If you'd like to see this boat in person or any of the other Whalers we have in stock, ask for me, Dean Ashton. Be happy to help you out.